All right, so today we're going to make a quick video about how to use the new download feature in the browser node, okay? So let's call this new package browser node download test. Just testing the download feature of the browser, okay? All right, so the first thing I want to do is create a browser node, okay? Browser node. I'm also going to add an input node. Well, do we need an input node? Not for this, all right? But we do need a finish node. And in the finish node, I'm going to put, what am I going to put? I'm going to put the browser. So here we go. Browser. In the finish node, I'm just going to put the browser and all the data that comes with that here so that we can see it, okay? So the first step I'm going to add is go to URL, and in this case I'm going to go to this test URL, and this URL is going to have the item I want to download, okay? And then the next step is going to actually be to do the download, okay? And if we go to this page, we'll see that there's a download file link, and if we look at the selector is going to be ID download. All right, so with that ID download, we can go to packages and we can say a download. This is going to be our selector. So when that click happens, we're going to force that click, and then that's going to start the download, okay? So remember, the action that you need is click and download a file, okay? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to save this, turn on debug mode, and then we're going to run this package. All right, so let's see it run. It's here on the page. Now it's waiting for the download. It's downloading, and the download is done, all right? So what it should have downloaded is an MP3 file, and it'll zip up whatever you send it, you tell it to download. But if we open that file, it will have the thing that we wanted to download. And that's it. That's how the download node works, okay? And you can use that file, pass it around, email it to yourself. So, yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the chat. Not the chat, but the Facebook group. I hope that helps. Have a good one.